What is going on, everybody? We out here at the Heritage Days in Warsaw, Missouri. Got a lot of cool stuff going on right here.
Reaction and stuff. You guys enjoying yourself the whole weekend? Did you guys go to the one downtown?
Yes.
All right, sweet. All right. You guys enjoying yourself? How are you guys doing?
Doing good.
Just kind of getting kind of reactions of the Heritage Days and stuff, and how you guys enjoying yourself. What was the favorite thing you guys did?
I think this.
This one, you guys like this side better than downtown? Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
You feel like you're more back in the day
far,
and stuff.
right.
Exactly. Yeah.
It's
Awesome.
wonderful.
Great.
Yeah.
Thank
Thanks
you.
for your answer. Hey, soaps.
Alright, so we're chilling for a little bit and
Just got sick of popcorn. It's
Got
kettle
it?
corn.
Liz, how
It's gonna be so good.
alright, we just got some cookies.
Oh, that was excessive.
Aubrey, what do you think about this place? Isn't it cool?
Yeah,
Really friendly people, awesome things to do. What you got in your hand?
beef jerky.
Yeah. It's pretty cool. You guys should check out this place. It happens every year around this time.
I think it's good. I got tea. I'm happy.
And hot chocolate.
This one.
So yeah, come check it out. It's pretty cool. Yep. Alright.
Peace.
Since you guys know more about this place, tell them about the start and how it happens every year and stuff like that.
It's usually in the month of October and the fall season. This is third generation Heritage Days for me. My dad used to bring us, I used to bring my kids, and now we're bringing the grandkids.
All them back there. Okay, y'all, we're heading downtown. We're finished up here on the top of the hill. There's a little cool shops and stuff like that downtown, so we're going down there. All right?
What a cafe, I think.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't know which one. We're probably not going, but we're gonna explore the world.